This is an update for Monday, January 10th. What we did in class today that I'd like to update you on is we kind of looked back at last week and we went to CAMI week 13, measurements and ratios. We opened up the CAMI, so you can go ahead and you don't have to open it up. You can just watch from this video, or you can open it up, either way. And we added to our notes. So I highlighted in green some things that I want you to put into your notes. So let's see, we'll go up here and we'll zoom in a little bit. And I want you to put in how to convert fractions to decimals. So put that in your notes. I'll pause here if you need to see that, or you can just go to CAMI week 13 and go to it, pause here and go open it up and put that in your notes. It should still be highlighted when you open it up. And writing ratios, how to write the three formats. It looks like a fraction and using a colon and the word to. And then go ahead and try problems 7, 8, and 9, and there's the answer key for you. I guess it's kind of there already. I didn't erase it from period 3, but that is the answer to 7, 8, and 9. I want you to put that into your notes. And then we did problem 17. And let me erase this a little bit. And by the time you see the video, you can, well, I'll just leave it right there. So 7 out of 10 students were prepared for a test. So it asks you to write the ratio of students who are prepared for the test to the total students taking the test. So I highlighted and circled the word to, because that, let me actually highlight here. Let me get my pen plugged in here. Okay. So the word to is right here. It's right here and it's right here. So I say that 7 to 10, 7 to 10, 7 to 10. Doesn't matter if it's a colon, a fraction, or the word to. And it comes right from the problem itself. So it's right there. And this one was 3 to 10. So if you can look for the word to, you can solve these. There's the word to. Write the ratio of students prepared for the test, 7. 2 is right there. Those not prepared, that's 3. So that's what we talked about today, is how to take the idea of comparing two numbers of the ratio and putting it in either a fraction or using a colon or using the word to. And then we did the explore. And this was about changing fractions to decimals so that we can compare and put them in order from smallest to largest. So I will just, this is actually written from smallest to largest right here. So it turns out Ms. Brown had the highest ratio of boys to girls in class. And finally, we show you a couple things that we did that you could do at home. We did Blooket. So Blooket, let me actually go to another. Well, you can just go to game 1. You're going to have to figure out how to get logged in. It's going to look a little bit different tomorrow if you want to come back. I'm going to have it organized by practice and play. I'll show you what that looks like for period set. I've set it for period 3. So now it says Blooket. Game 1 practice, game 1 play. And so Blooket is a lot like Quizzes, but it is more in the format of a game. So just play around with that. If you're watching from home or you're stuck at home and you can't come, please do game 1. We're going to do game 2 tomorrow. And finally, you could be Let's go to the stream. Oh, I'd like you to add to your new booklet, your proportions booklet. And if you don't have a proportions booklet, just put this on a piece of paper, and when you get back, we'll put it into your booklet. But I want you to get some of these examples from the Day 67 recap video. So if you go here and you watch this video, there are 5 or 6 examples.
This is a recap for...
And I'm not going to play it. I'll just kind of fast forward through it. It shows how to convert from one type of unit to another. And it shows specifically how to put it over a 1 and how to cross out the units so that you end up with the units that you want. So I encourage you, especially if you haven't been in class, to watch that whole video and take notes from it. And you can do that in your proportions booklet if you have it. All right, well, that is a wrap-up, a recap video for Monday, January 10th.